Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making keto stuffed zucchini boats. And in fact, I've got recipes for two different fillings here. One, a Tex Mex filling, the other, an Italian sausage filling. Both are very low carb, pretty high fat, pretty low protein, and really easy to make. I really love these recipes. I'm also going to show you, as we go along, I'm going to show you the pertinent nutritional information for each of the ingredients as we go along. You can add those up and check my math, because at the end I'll give you a total of the macros for the whole recipe as well as per portion, so when we get done you'll know exactly what your macros are. Let's get started. Now you're going to need two nice big zucchini for each of the filling recipes that I'm going to show you today. We're going to start by slicing our zucchini in half lengthwise like this, and I'm being careful because I want it to be even and I want it to be pretty when I get done. There we go. And next we're going to create a cavity in the middle by scraping out the seeds with a teaspoon. Let's make the first filling. This one is a Tex Mex filling, and it starts off with 4 ounces, that's 112 grams or half a package, of cream cheese. It's easier to work with if it's softened, so you can leave it out of the fridge for about an hour or so, or pop it in the microwave for a couple of seconds to soften it up if you need to. To that, I'm going to add in 4 ounces of ground beef that's seasoned for tacos, and I'll put a link to my keto taco seasoning recipe on screen here. If you buy commercial taco seasoning, it often has undesirable ingredients in it, like cornstarch and wheat flour sometimes to thicken it, so we don't want that. I'm going to add to that 1 ounce, that's about 2 tablespoons or 28 grams of chopped onion. And also about the same quantity of diced bell pepper. I just happen to have an orange one today. If you have a red or green or whatever color you like, use that certainly. We need a little more cheese here, so let's add in 2 ounces, that's 56 grams of diced cheddar cheese. I'm also going to add in, I like it spicy, I'm going to add in 1 chopped serrano chili. You could use a jalapeno, or you could leave it out entirely if you don't like things too spicy. Just mix it up here. Nothing to it, as you can see, and there we go. And now we're on to the next filling. Before we get started with that, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, that's 200 degrees centigrade. This recipe also starts off with 4 ounces, that's 112 grams of cream cheese, softened as before. To this, I'm going to add 4 ounces of browned Italian sausage. And as before, an ounce, that's 28 grams of chopped onion. About the same quantity of chopped bell pepper. I'm also going to add in 1 ounce, that's 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. Get that all in there just like that. And 1 ounce, that's 2 tablespoons of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, or any Parmesan cheese that you like. This is just my favorite. And we'll give it a good mix. And there we go. And once it's nice and mixed together, it's ready to go into the zucchini halves. And here they are. And there's really nothing left to do here but to put our stuffing into the cavities. There's nothing to it. I'm going to fill those cavities up and mound it up a little bit. And here they are. Before I put them in the oven, I'm going to give them a little garnish. Here we've got some Parmigiano Reggiano to sprinkle on top of these. There we go. Just like that. And for the Tex-Mex ones, we're going to use a little cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle that over the top. There we go, get a little here and there. Now, I'm going to put these in our 400 degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes. And here's what they look like when they come out. Are they beautiful or what? Well, all right, let's give it a taste here. I think these are just beautiful. And here, now I've served up the Italian sausage one, and I put on a little bit of my keto tomato sauce. I'll put the link up here on the screen somewhere. This looks and smells really, really great. This with a little salad, there's your dinner. It's really generous, and as you'll see, you're going to like the macros. Oh. Really very nice. And I've got to say, one thing that's really great about it is the zucchini has kept its integrity, so it still has a little body, and that's really good. I just love it. Delicious filling too. Let's talk about macros here. For this one right here, the Italian sausage version comes to a total of, for the whole recipe, 938 calories, 21 grams of net carbs, 53.4 grams of protein, and 73.8 grams of fat. Per portion, that's a quarter of each recipe. That's this size portion, one half of a zucchini, comes to, get this, 234.5 calories. That's all for each portion. 5.25 grams of net carbs, 13.4 grams of protein, and 18.5 grams of fat. I hope that you'll try this recipe. I also hope that you will like, share, especially on Facebook, comment right here on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.